Schönen guten Nachmittag and welcome to everybody. This afternoon I'm going to play a little bit more Space Engineers, I think. I will only play to about 5, I think, because I have to do some barbecuing after that. And this evening I'm going to go for some more SnowRunner. So enjoy, and let's jump right into it. Okay. Oh, I don't remember where I left off. I think I did a little bit of a... I'll get that signal. Let's start off with getting that signal over there. I think I left off with my pump building. Well, nearly finished on the outside. And I think I will get that done today. That is definitely enough ice for me to fly to every part of that universe, I think. Wondering if I should go for a let's turn down the game volume a little bit, I think. It's a little bit loud today. I think I don't know what I wanted to say. I think I have to go to space at some point. Probably pretty soon, because I want to have the better tools. Okay, that is not going to happen. Well, maybe now it's going to happen. But now there is probably no working button anymore. Nope. And does it have a little bit, at least a little bit of materials? Nice crater. I hate those things that roll away. Sometimes you get lucky, and when it explodes, the button actually still works and it cannot roll away anymore. But usually they just explode and that's it. You're done. Alrighty then. Let's drive back to my pump building. That does look pretty good with the solar panel on top and the pipeline going down to the lake. I do like the look of that. Why is that thing always trying to go to the left here? Drive straight, damn you! Nice, feine Sahne Fischfilet. Alright, here I am. Let's empty out my inventory. get some steel plates and continue. I probably need to make that look good from the inside too, because since that is supposed to look like water, I think I have to go straight down here, drill a little bit more out so that you don't see the actual ice or water from the top here. Why did my phone ring? Something in Reddit. I don't care. Alright, I do need to get down here with a full block, I think. Is all of that orange? Oh god, it's all orange. That's going to be fun when I will weld all of that up.
Engineer. A steel plate. Please check inventory for extraneous tools.
Oh, it didn't fall down. What's going on with my phone? Shut up! Always when I start streaming, my phone goes crazy. Why am I stuck? Okay. That was weird. Will that fall down when I grind it down? It should not, in theory. Yeah, let's see if I can do that here. A little bit different. Let's make that full blocks here. Full block here. And I think I'm going to go straight down with that here then. That should work with the rest of the catwalks there. And I won't be able to see the ice or water when I go down. At some point I definitely have to try out the real water mod I saw a couple of times now, because that looks really interesting. You know what? Let's weld that stuff up. And then probably change the color of it. That is definitely not going to stay orange. Best thing would probably be, since... Oh, that's not a separate grid here, but I can make that a separate grid pretty easily. Okay, now that is a separate grid, which means I can paint the whole thing and then just do the conveyor junctions in a different color. Let me grab the color from the top here, because that will be the same color as that. Why is that a different color here? That is weird. I cannot remember doing that. It's not a different color. It looks like it is a different different skin. Weird. Very weird. There we go. Now all of it is battered armor. Let's get that connected again. With that style, of course. Oh, come on. That's not what I wanted to do. And that's also not what I wanted to do. And hello, Lisa! Drake Dark Souls! Hey, how are you doing? I'm good so far. Welcome to my little afternoon stream here. Take a seat, make yourself comfortable, and enjoy. I wanna have that in that orange, but I want to have it rusty. Ooh. I am having bad frame rates again. Why? Whoa. Very bad frame rates. Why do I have bad frame rates? I haven't changed anything from last time. Shadow quality medium. Everything the same. That is weird. That is very weird. Let's check real quick. It does take 9 gigabytes of storage, not storage RAM, but that is pretty normal for that save. Everything else looks good. That is weird. Yep, that is very choppy today. Okay. Probably have to live with it now. Because I will not try and change any of that anytime soon. I wanna have that. All of this. Okay, I wonder what's going on there in my background here. I'm at 60% CPU. That is not okay. Probably NVIDIA broadcast again. Let's get rid of that for now. And restart it. And it didn't even. Okay. I closed the process for NVIDIA broadcast. The application itself did not close, but my game is running smoothly again. So it was again NVIDIA broadcast. I really need to find out if they're going to do that outside of beta at any time. That is not correct. That needs to be an end piece. There we go. You're right. Just restarting my base after I crashed into a planet. You crashed your base into a planet, or you crashed with a ship in a planet that you haven't been on, and now you have to restart with a base on that planet? Because if you crashed your base into a planet, I need to know. I need to know what you did. Because that sounds awesome. Probably not awesome in a good way, but awesome. Okay, Let's see. Let's get a little bit of a foundation going here. Probably... Where is it? Oh, there it is. Probably like that. That was a weird sound. Did you hear that? Huh. Don't know what that was. I was moving to a new planet. Okay, so you had a base somewhere else and you were moving and you crashed your ship. How bad did you crash your ship? Any chance you're going to survive on your new planet, or going to be difficult? I myself started on the Earth-like in this save, and I wanna establish like a really nice big base here. I wanna build some planes because I have the aerodynamics mod on here, which I haven't played with yet. And yeah, once I have done all of that, I might get to Mars, maybe get to the alien planet. We'll see. I have not decided anything in that regard yet. Okay. I think I have to get some... Let's try if I can get something below here. Doesn't look like it. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Not going to happen. Lost connection as I was getting ready to land. It's full gone. Oh wow. Like, you don't even have a survival kit to build something? Because if that's the case, I don't think you really can restart on that planet. That's probably a I have to do it again situation. At least it sounds like that. Because full gone is, yeah, well, full gone. Okay. Oops. That save here is actually a single player world. I tend to play more in single player than everything else. That's why I'm doing it like that. And I was stupid again. Oh, crap. Oh well, I probably can paint that by hand later. Let's get all of that stuff welded up. Yeah, and you need a fresh respawn. Oh well, my condolences on that. That's never nice. You lost connection. Does that mean you were playing on a server, or how did you lose connection? Connection to what? Nice. Those parts are going to be orange now, okay. Why not? I need to change it later though. Oh, wow. That is a lot of junk I have with me. Oop. It's alright, just 12 hours gone, and yeah, I was on a server. Well, 12 hours is not that much. Good for you getting on a new planet in 12 hours. Not bad. I'm way too, I want to say, lazy for that. Usually I stay for a long time on one planet. Okay, that is going to be that color, and I want to go for this. Go. It's not that hard to get. Yeah, I know it's not too hard to get on another planet. I'm just getting distracted all the time when I'm doing that with designing different stuff. Can I get rid of that without destroying everything? Probably not. Let's try it. Yep, that's what I thought. That is okay. Let's get rid of that. Oh, almost. Okay, that looks doable now. Nice. Rid of that. And I definitely need to get rid of that as well, since I want to have like a completely closed up tunnel down here. Can I fit through here? Now I can. Yeah, that is going to be my hydrogen mining tunnel here. I will build a little drill rig on here, probably with a hinge that turns left and right automatically and gets a nice big cavern down here. But for now I don't need any more ice because I got a lot of ice out of that hole here. Oops, I think I'm about 75% on 4 large hydrogen tanks. So yeah, that's going to be good enough for a while, I think. Okay, same here. But when NPC keep attacking, you need to move fast. Yeah, that's true. I haven't played that much against NPCs because I like the building aspect of the game a little bit more, I think. But I want to go into NPC fighting at some point. Probably not at this save. Probably on a different one. What I'm really interested in is that mod, I don't know what it's called, that gives you a like a thermal signature. You put a beacon on a grid, and depending on the power output of that grid, the beacon range is getting further and further. And I want to combine that with the rewatch NPCs, because they get attracted by such signals, and I think that might be really nice gameplay. If you can go like, you can turn everything off to go dark and try and avoid rewatch that way. That sounds very interesting, I think. But for now, I wanna try out some aerodynamics mod here, or the aerodynamics mod I have on here. And yeah, build some planes once I have established a decent base. I think that base here might actually become my like creative testing world. If I want to test something in creative, I'm probably going to do it in here. We'll see. Okay, let's wrap the rest up on the outsides here and then paint it another way. Probably going to paint it rusty, at least the parts that are like in the water. Might look pretty good. But I will definitely make it white. That does sound fun, yep. It really does. I've seen that by a couple of other people.
Disconnecting browser, disabling Netflix.
And yeah, I think that could be really, really fun. But for that I need to get better at the game again. I mean, I have played about 600 hours of Space Engineers now, so I'm really confident I could handle it, but let's go slow and make it fun for me instead of jumping right into it when I don't really know exactly what to do and then continuously just dying, having to respawn. Because that's not fun. Let's put some railings here because I will fall down there without them. And in here, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might do some plants or something like this, since that is all glass. Could be a pump building and a like greenhouse, something like that. But let's color that stuff. Let's go for the rusty. At least for that part. Sure if I should do those parts rusty as well. Maybe I'm going to do the whole fundament here in rusty. I might actually do that. That, and that. Does look good in rusty, at least from the outside. 600 hours, nice to a little bit of time to the game. Oh, no problem, no problem. I understand you, yeah. That is a little bit of time. It's definitely not something to brag about, but I think I can say that I know the basics of the game. I know where to go, I know what to do there. And yeah, I think it's nothing compared to like other people having, I don't know, 3,000 hours and more. But that's mainly because I actually stopped playing for about 1 year or 2 years. Not sure of how long I haven't played, but it was a long time. Why do I always keep getting the windows here instead of the doors?
Here we see the space engineer in his natural habitat.
Yeah. I am on my way for power. That's my hydrogen production facility, which I probably have to expand at some point, since those 4 tanks are almost full already. And that's my fancy pink turning spotlight, which a viewer of mine requested. Just so you know, that was a request. I had to do a pink light, and a normal pink light seemed boring to me, so I made it spinning. Okay, yep. With 2.5k hours, you are definitely more experienced than I am. That's for sure. Right, hydrogen. I should probably replenish that as well. Should I sleep? I probably should sleep. Oh yeah, now I'm in a tree. That is not good. Let's go to my main building, which is definitely not finished, hence the missing walls on 2 sides. And let's make it a little bit daylight, shall we? That is a really nice mod I have found here. 99% of my time in game has been solo. Yep. For me, it's so far 100%. We'll see if that ever changes. It's just such a good game in single player. You can do so much stuff, and you just don't need the multiplayer aspect, or especially the PvP aspect. I'm anyway not a big fan of PvP. I like PvE way more. And yeah, why go for PvP if you're not really a fan of it?
Idly ho, neighborinos!
Ah, look at that! Dracodoxuls, thank you very much for the follow. I really appreciate that. So, as I was saying, make yourself comfortable and enjoy watching. Just so you know, I am going to stream today until 5 in the afternoon, I think, which will be about 3 hours, about a 3-hour stream. And then I'm going for some barbecue. And after that, I'm going to play some SnowRunner. In case you wanna join me for that as well. Just so you know. Let's do all of it in Rusty here. Okay, even the railing, why not? Ooh. And go. 6 a.m. for you. Wow. Had you had a night shift or something like that? Or why are you up so early on a Saturday? I mean, for me, it's now 2, almost 3 in the afternoon, because I'm, well, in Germany. So I'm guessing you are in North America or South America? Don't sleep well. Oh, that's too bad. But I get that. I myself are also awake pretty early all the time because of my work, where I have to get up early anyway. My girlfriend really doesn't like that, but what can I do? If I'm awake, I'm awake. You probably feel the same, I'm assuming. All right. Let's get let's get those pillars here welded up. And I think I'm going to keep them in the battered armor, since they are not directly on the ground. What I haven't shown you yet is actually my mining operations underground. I'm NA. North America, okay. Had to have to think about that for a short while there. Let me show you my mining facility once I have welded those pillar up here, that pillar up. Oh, no problem. Nothing to be sorry about. Completely normal. I was just thinking about a country code for NA, but I couldn't think of some. Yeah, so that is my main production facility, which is still expendable. I have 3... Actually, I have 3, come on.
Warning. Please check inventory for extraneous
3 assemblers here, which I just noticed 2 of them have a power efficiency module on there,
maybe
which
consider
is meant to be a speed module. And yeah, with cargo it is of course expendable in that direction here, but I don't think I need to expend it pretty soon. I got a little bit of a welding ship here, and 3 refineries with full yield modules, and I still have room to expand those on the top with 3 more if I want to, but not for now. I don't have speed modules here. Is that correctly orientated? Yes. That. There we go. And on here I built myself a little elevator to get down if I want to with a vehicle, like a drilling rover or something like that. And down here I have a little bit of a start of a mining operation. I haven't done anything with it yet. I want to build a conveyor line all the way down that tunnel because... Oh, can't see it yet. It's too bad. Okay, somewhere 30 meters in that direction, 90 degrees from the end of the tunnel to the right, there is a cobalt deposit, which I will need if I want to build some planes. And on here is a 600-meter pipeline to my hydrogen production facility, so that this is actually connected together. That was a real pain in the ass to build that, I can tell you that. And yeah, pretty happy with my elevator. Was the actually the first time I built an elevator by myself. Do you use the nano build and repair mod? No, I don't use that. I get why a lot of people use that. I for myself like the building aspect of Space Engineers very much. And that is actually the reason why I don't use the nano build and repair units. I used them for a while, but it got boring really quickly. Simply because I'm a big fan of the building system of Space Engineers. If I wanna have the feeling for like build and repair and stuff, I usually just tend to go to creative and build that stuff in creative if I want to test something or something like that. And yeah, so I don't really have the need of the build and repair units, I think. But I get why a lot of people like that. It is a pretty nice mod. Yep. Oh no, that is not going to happen here. That looks weird. Oh, I should have grabbed the materials for that stuff first. Oh, only have to fly up here. There we go. I get that. I mainly use to make drones. Yeah, for drones it's really nice. I would probably go for a 3D printer like that, or something like that, if I want to make drones, but you can really nicely use the build and repair for that. What I don't like about the build and repair, especially if you use them on a large grid ship, it's so easy to make a weapon out of those things. You just set them up that they are disassembling enemy grids, and preferably the what's it call it? The turrets first. The turrets, the control seats or the remote control block, something like that first. And yeah, then you have to just fly past the ship and your build and repair units take the whole grid apart. Oh, sorry about that. I'm still recovering a little bit from COVID. And yeah, that's... I think that makes PvE, especially PvE, a little bit dull if you just take a grid apart while flying past. Nanite Control Factory, Nanti Control Factory. I'm not sure if I saw that. I think I saw that mod. I'm not sure if I read through it what it actually does. You have to refresh my memory with that, I think. Ooh. 6 minutes, 2 kilometers. Let's get that signal. Let's get my inventory empty first. Let's hope it's not a rolling one again. Is that on the edge of the lake, or is that in the hills? Looks like it's in the hills. Drifting! Yeah. That landing pod works exceptionally good as a little scout rover, actually. After it was my scout, not drone, my scout pod. Because when I landed here, I landed in the desert. I knew I had to go to a lake at some point during my playthrough, since I want to build planes and preferably hydrogen-powered planes. I knew that I had to use a lot of ice. And so I flew around in that thing with the 4 thrusters on for, I think, nearly 1.5 hours before I actually found a decent lake with oh god, my camera is borking out again. Just a second. I have to restart NVIDIA broadcast again. No, that's not okay. Show me. Yeah. Let's take that off again. Activate the camera for now. And let's see if NVIDIA broadcast is nice to me now. After a second restart. Let's try the automatic camera settings this time. I usually do the lighting setting differently than automatic, because it sometimes messes my camera view up. But apparently that is messing up my game, at least with Space Engineers. I don't have any problems with other games. It's only Space Engineers that makes weird things with the camera and lets my game well, be choppy. Oh, where is that stupid button? There it is. What do I get? Rainbow suit. I think I had a rainbow suit already. Did you hear that? What was that? It was very strange. Again. Almost like a piece of game music starting for a second there. Very weird. Sorry, tree. Did not want to run you over. That was not my plan. Same thing, but not able to make it into a weapon. Okay, so it can't like dismember an NPC ship. You cannot set it up to dismantle anything. It can only build stuff. Is it like that? At some point, I think I have to build like a runway for my planes. Well, if I ever manage to actually build a plane. Is my camera behind? My camera is behind again. What the hell? Urgh. NVIDIA broadcast. What is your freaking problem today? Let's leave that open here and hope it works. Doesn't work. Of course it doesn't work. Oh, I am so sorry about that. That stupid NVIDIA broadcast is doing whatever it wants today. Okay. Activate. Okay. Sound should not be behind anymore. And I hope the choppiness of space engineers will change. Nope, my camera is frozen already again. I need to check on that. Let's close that. Let's close this. NVIDIA, where is it? There it is. Oh wow, it is open multiple times. For whatever reason again. You need to dismantle, but you need to put a small antenna thing on what you want to dismantle, okay? Well, that is at least a better way of doing that than the nano thingy. Since, yeah, well, you can at least not use it as a weapon, then. It is actually pretty neat. But I still don't think I'm going to use it since, like I said, I do like the building aspect of Space Engineers a lot more. Hello, NVIDIA broadcast again. Maybe I should just... Let's try that. Let's get rid of that. Deactivate it and reactivate it, because I think that should actually work without having NVIDIA broadcast open in the background. We'll see how that goes now. It is running smooth for now. Let's hope it stays that way. Okay, where was I? Welding up windows. Let's do that a little bit more quickly. And get my welding ship down there. Also a reason why I don't use those build and repair things. It makes the use of welding ships like this one, it makes them just useless. You don't have to build up anything like that anymore. And well, that's also a thing I really like about Space Engineers. Building lots of ships and buggies and stuff. Let's see. I wanna put that in here. Can I do that? No. Okay. But I can. Components. Large cargo container. Let's get that thing loaded up with a lot of glass. That will take a while though. Will break down the missile before you can hit the target. Okay. Pretty nice. That is cleverly done. Because to, well, have a missile, the missile needs an antenna anyway. And yeah, if that gets dismantled before it reaches the target, pretty good. Makes you have to build missiles the conventional way and put some warheads on them. Which is also very, very fun. Where do I get the silver for 15 medical components? Did I mine some silver at some point? Again? Oh, apparently I did. I can't remember that. Components. Let's put the large cargo container full of that stuff and see if it's enough. I bet it's not. Oh, one more thing I wanted to do. Since I have to wait for the stuff anyway. Where is it? In-game overlay. Eigenschaften, open. I want to move the chat window a little bit to the inside, because it looked really weird having the chat pop up right on the edge. Put it here. Save. Alrighty. Should do it. Okay. That is full. And that is full as well. Let's go. Let's change the song and then let's go. Ooh, that was weird. Okay, let's see how far I can get with that. Ooh. That thing is very heavy now. And my camera is gone again. Not the actual F. What happens if I open NVIDIA Broadcast now? Everything is fine again. But as soon as I go back into the game, it just straight up doesn't work anymore. Oh man, I have no idea how to get that working. That is really annoying. You know what? Let's just deactivate the face cam for today. Sorry about that, but I have to figure out what's going on with that before using my face cam anymore. Because that is just so annoying to do that all the time. Yesterday I streamed for, I think, how long was it? 5.5 hours? SnowRunner? No problem whatsoever. Today, 1 hour into streaming Space Engineers, and I have how many screw-ups from NVIDIA broadcast now? That is just not cool. And all of that just because I don't want to have you guys to see the mess around me in my room. Oh yeah, now it's finished. Nice. What's going on here? Do I not have enough? Apparently I don't have enough girders. I did not expect that. I expected to run out of bulletproof glass first. Let's go down here. That should do it. Alright then. Let's fly back and get the rest of the girders manually in here. Could use a docking camera on that thing. Turn off the welders. Oh, wait a second. And let's empty that thing out. There we go. Whoop. Yep, all of the bulletproof glass already in there. Girders. It's girder time. I am Bender. Please insert girder. How many girders can I carry? I think I can carry around 400 girders actually. Not bad. Maybe even more than 400. That should be enough, I hope. Yep. Let's see if I can make 500 girders. Nope, not quite. 453 girders. That is very good. What's up with that music? What the hell? Let's try it one more time with the camera, shall we? As soon as I hit activate, the game got choppy. As soon as I go out of the game, no problem with the camera anymore. I go back in, camera's choppy. Something from Space Engineers or from NVIDIA Broadcast really doesn't like each other. Okay, I'm going to look into that later. And maybe see if I can find a different way of capturing my emotions on camera while still being able to play Space Engineers. Why did I forget those windows here? Weird. Build all the windows you can build. There you go. Almost done. Okay, let's put those last 3 window blocks in, because apparently there is one in here. Why? Don't ask me. Oh no, don't you dare making that orange. Oh, I need the inverted one here. One, two, and 3. Why did I pick up so many bulletproof glass? Oh, okay. I still had stuff in my boat planner. Alright. Main pump building done. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Got an idea to make the look a little bit more consistent. Let's color the straight ones here in rusty white armor as well. Most of them are already that anyway. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Okay. Let's get... Let's get that staircase done. I need to get rid of those parts as well. And then let's get some lighting done, because it is almost dark now. Which means I can actually do decent lighting down here. And up there, of course. I won't go further than this for now. I think that is enough. The rest I'm going to build once I need some more. Or I want to have some more iron. Or maybe once I'm getting bored and don't know what else to build. Nope, that's what I want. If I get that completely down to the ground here, somehow, I need to figure out how to get that 45-degree angle from the catwalks here. If I can do that, I can actually do like a real good looking tunnel here. Alright, steel plate, can I get them through the catwalk? No, I cannot. Do I want to? Yeah, I want to do that like this. Let's just put a full block. Oh, come on. That's not cool. Keep forgetting that I have that mod on here where I have all the tools in one slot. Oh no, that one. Okay. I forgot to weld that up immediately here. Because I might not be able to reach that later. Anyway. Nope. I cannot reach that. Wrong one. Oh. I did not put one in here. Well, then I cannot reach it. That is true. Let's do that first here. That is too far. That is definitely too far. What am I going to put in here then? Probably not that one. Maybe I will just leave it on that level then. Where is it? Where is it? It's the one I just welded up. That's the other one. Oh, and here I cannot go any further down. Okay. I might do that later. But for now, I think that's enough. Let's get that stuff done. Give me all the steel plates. That looks good. That looks pretty good. I think I can even go further down here. Because that is the other side of my tunnel. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh, I did the wrong block here. That is the one I want. I wish I would know how many mistakes like that I made so far. Where I just put the completely wrong block on and noticed it too late. Let's go for a slope here. Ooh, missed my catwalk there. That one. And a slope again, I think. How does it look from here? It's actually really good with the slopes there. I think I'm going to leave it like that. Going to put a slope here as well. Let's do it right away. Like this, and like, oh, I think I might be out of steel plate again, and almost out of hydrogen. This slope. Oop. That was the end of my catwalk. And that needs to go all the way up. It also needs to be welded up immediately, since I cannot reach them anymore if I don't do that. Okay. I think I'm pretty happy with that yet. Or now. Not yet. Oh, look at that. I have to get 2 blocks in here as well. Otherwise it would look weird. How about I go for that here? Yep. I think that might work.
Your battery level will be low on the next beep.
Yeah, wasted. Chill. Got it under control, man. Okay, and the rest is all full blocks. Come on. There we go. Let's get that done and then get some energies and continue with lighting here. Oh, the last one. That's cool. And of course I colored it white. Well, actually, not a bad thing here. Needs to be white anyway. Yep. I think that is a pretty good start of a walkway down here. Now I only have to figure out how to do it with the 45-degree angle I have here. Well, not now. I don't have to do that now. I don't want to do that now. I want to fly without hitting any trees to my power chair. Where is it? There it is. Power chair. You know what? Let's do a quick Google of space engineers and NVIDIA broadcast. Okay, apparently I'm the only one with that problem. Well then, I probably need to find a different way of doing a virtual screenshot. Virtual green screen with space engineers. Not good at all. Oh crap, I have not put a GPS on my building down here. Let's see. Yep, that is dark. Could actually. Let's see if I can put a corner light on here. Maybe. Ah, damn it. That would have been perfect. Oh! Ooh. Why can I do that here, but not here? That is weird. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's put the lights on here then. They probably don't need to be very bright, since I need to double them. Okay, Now I have at least a little light here. Let's see. Let's put that to a better color. Let's put it like this, maybe? That is pretty far. 10.5 meters, let's see if that is looking decent. Yeah. Not too bad. It's a little bit much. I think I'm going back a little. Maybe to 8.5. Will be all. Yeah, that might work. Let's see. Yeah, and then I put somewhere in the middle here another light. Maybe somehow on top here. Not sure yet. Or on the bottom. And then it will be pretty well lit. Oop. All right. I think that looks decent. Let's see. Can I put a light at all somewhere around here? I can't even do the normal one. Oh. Okay. Then I have no other choice, I think, than to maybe put the fall off. Come on, what I want. There we go. Put the fall out a little bit down. Put it to 15 meters instead. Oh, sorry about that. Y'all. Lighting is always very difficult in Space Engineers due to the weird lighting behavior sometimes. That one, and those should be the last two. Oh no, I'm already through. Yep. That looks pretty darn good. Yeah, I'll take that. All right. Well, since I'm not using my camera today, I can put off that light as well. I will use my camera, however, this evening for SnowRunner, because I don't have any problems with SnowRunner and NVIDIA Broadcast, or any other game I play. It's just NVIDIA Broadcast that does very stupid things when I'm running Space Engineers. I probably should put some light on that tower here, shouldn't I? some caution light maybe? Put some red caution lights on that thing. Okay, radius max. That is actually a lot. Let's do not max, let's do 10 meters. Put the intensity a little bit up and let's put a nice red color on it. As well as a blink lamp. 50%. Let's try 30. Oh, that's too fast. Oh yeah, that looks actually pretty good. So intensity is a little bit too much, I think. Let's put that down to, I think 2 is standard. Not sure exactly. Put the radius maybe to 20 meters instead. Yep. Copy all. No, let's let's keep the name. No, let's not keep the name. That would be red warning light 1. Copy all. And there we go. Nice little warning light so nobody flies against that thing. Might definitely need to do that on my solar panels here as well. 1, 2, and 3. And that would be red warning lights. Solar array. Oh. Do I want to make that offset to the other one? I think I do want to do that. If all of that blinks at once, that will look weird. Let's do a 40% offset here. All. Paste. Oh. Oh. Paste at 13 properties. Oh, yeah. Paste. How's that looking? Oh, that looks great. Those edges on the solar panels look awesome. Very nice. I definitely didn't expect that. That is really awesome. Now I only we have to get all those lights into the group here. Light. Into the pink light group. Spotlight? Oh yeah, that is the production facility. Save. And now they should, in theory, turn off when the sun is out again. And another thing I want to do is to search for the timer block doors. Doors hydrogen production. Door. Those doors are doors. Pump house. Timer blocks, set of actions, pump house closed. And now those doors down there should close every 10 seconds if they are open. Since all of them are closed now, I think it's working, and it is. Now I don't have to remember closing the doors. Let's continue with some lighting here. Probably a corner light up there. As always, let's get the blue to 200 so it's a better looking light. Meters. Let's do 5.5. Yep, that works very good. And that will stay dark for a long time now, down there. Now I have, of course, to get the other lights in here as well. Okay. Good. Pump building so far, so good, I think. That is done for now. Okay. That means I now have to figure out what to do next. I would like, actually, to figure out what's going on with my NVIDIA broadcast before the stream this evening. So I might actually end it a little early today. Just so that I have a little bit more time to, well, get things figured out. I do hope you guys won't mind, since I'm only on for about 2 hours now. I will not rate to anybody, but special thanks to Draco Dark Souls for the follow. I really appreciate it, and I do hope next time, which is this evening, I will have figured everything out and you are actually able to see me again. Until then, I wish you guys a very nice Saturday. When will I start this afternoon? Or this evening? I probably will start around 7, 8-ish. CET, so Central European Time. Yeah. And until then, have a nice day, and I see you all in the next one.